So today we want to look at Pages on the iPad, the Pages app, and look at how we can use it with our class in school. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find Pages, and here it is here, the icon. You'll notice when I open Pages that sometimes it will open up, or it will always open up in the last student's work. So we want to go to Documents at the top left-hand corner. And then we want to go up to the plus sign and create a new document. It then gives us some options, templates if you like, depending on what you want to do with your students. Today we're doing a poster for Child Protection Day. And so we've done, with our students, we've done some artwork to do with a Child Protection Week logo, and we want to create a poster that promotes this very worthwhile cause. So I'm going to select the poster with the girl and the basketball there, and so I open it up. Don't forget, it will look a lot different after we have changed the template. And so inserting photos is a little bit different on the iPad. So basically we touch the picture of the girl here once, and you'll see at the top it comes up with some options. We want to replace it with the artwork that we did in our camera roll, and you can replace your photo with any photo that you've taken with the iPad that is currently in the camera roll. So this is our nice little logo down the bottom here, and as we tap on it, it replaces it really quickly. To change the text of our document, basically we double tap on the heading and we change that to a more appropriate title. In this case, it will be Child Protection Week. And once again, we would then go and change each of the text, keeping the next generation safe, and gelatin. Generation safe. And this will all depend on the work that you've done with your students. So the content that goes into these text boxes and these photos here will depend on the work that you've done with your students. You can see there just the ability to change text and the ability to insert photos is incredibly easy on the Pages app on the iPad. You can see the little picture down the bottom right hand corner here. We can change that as well by tapping, pressing replace. In this case I might be creative and select the same photo, but by then double tapping on the photo we can then mask it, and I might zoom in on a specific area. Then I tap on the side of the screen there and you can see that I've zoomed right in on that picture, and it's given it a different, I guess a different feel or a different perspective. So I won't change all of the text today, but you can see there how easy it is to work with Pages app on the iPad. The final thing I want to show you is when we go to Documents again at the top left-hand corner, it's always good for the students to know how to rename. It automatically saves, but we want to rename that poster. So we do that by holding our finger down on the Poster 1 text and releasing, and that gives us an option of then renaming the document, and press done at the top right hand corner, and you can see now that it's now renamed that document. Okay, and that's a simple way to use Pages, the Pages app on iPads in schools.